Barrios, and I'm an elementary education major, so as my students know me, I am Mrs. Barrios.
I want to impact kids. I want to be that great influence in their lives.
These kids, you get to put your life into their life.
I'm very confident that wherever I go after North Central I'm going to do well at it because of the training I've received here.
The School of Education at North Central University is a leader in providing superior training to future educators. We prepare students for success through one-on-one mentoring and hands-on teaching experiences in K-12 classrooms. If you want to become an educator, North Central University is the place to pursue your dreams.
I'd say my favorite part about being in the education program as a teacher in training is all of the feedback that you get from professors and from even your fellow students.
North Central University is gaining a reputation not only as preparing students for the teaching profession, but also being so much better than those students that just have the knowledge, they also have the heart.
Student teachers from North Central, after they have completed their program, they are incredibly hireable. Even going through the interview process, it was evident that they are far more prepared than their peers from other universities.